We got this East Oak 52-inch fire pit table. Let's open this up and check it out. All right, so this is everything that comes in that big box. So over here to the right, you've got the manual, you've got the bolts that bolt it all together. You've got the different sides. This is a round wicker. Then you have right there on the bottom left is the propane tank holder that goes on the inside. The bag is full of decorative like glass that goes in the fire pit itself. And then here is the tabletop. Underneath that tape and foam is the lid to the actual fire pit itself. So now that we've got it all pulled apart, let's start putting this thing together. All right, and this is it mostly assembled. The first part is getting the bottom pieces all put together and then getting the tabletop set on. So we have that there. Got a nice little East Oak badge here on it. This is the bottom here. These are the rocks going in next. Bottom, and then let me show you here is where the door is. So you open this little door, and that is where you put your propane tank. I love the fact that it's really good at hiding that propane tank. It's magnetic. It's got like a little magnetic door latch here, and it's got a little piece of metal there that touches it, but it's really nice and easy to open and close. And then, of course, your nozzle to light everything up is right here. So let us get this thing completely finished, and we'll see what it looks like. Now the rock is put down here in the middle here, the fire pit area. I really like the way this is looking. I'm ready to fire it up, but I got to get the propane tank put in and everything ready to go. Then we're going to light this baby up. So I went down here and I put a tank in. Of course, you connect it up to the hose and turn the tank on. And now we're going to go ahead and use this switch. It has an automatic lighter and everything in it. You basically just push it and then turn it to the on position. It should light up the fire pit and be on low. And there it is, lit on low. Looks really nice, but it's a pretty windy day out here. So you're going to see those flames moving around. And that is why we also got the glass wind guard. Now that is sold separately, but it is very helpful on windy days like we have today. And of course we can adjust this. I'm going to put it up really high. Whew. See, as you can see, we have a pretty windy day today. But let me get that glass guard put together and put on here so you can see what it looks like without the wind trying to blow it out. I do a lot to try to make sure we don't get a lot of wind in these videos, but it's actually pretty windy out here today. And this glass wind guard is really letting that flame just kind of be itself and not blow it out. You get a little bit of turbulence, as you can see, when we get a gust of wind, but it's night and day difference with this glass wind guard on it. If you're in an area where you're going to have wind, like we're under a pergola right here next to our pool, we're going to get wind in this area, so we're going to need it. I do recommend it in any place where you're going to have wind. This is a really nice fire pit, easily big enough for 6 people, and it just looks beautiful. You turn it down low and you get a good, just ambient, nice fire pit, or you can turn it up high and get some good heat off of it. Definitely something that people will comment about when they come over, and it absolutely gets a thumbs up for me. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Y'all take care.